वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 11th कोनिक सेक्शन पार्ट 1 करेंगे, जिसमें एक्सरसाइज 11.1 की इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन करेंगे बेसिक के साथ। चलो देखते हैं क्लास 11th कोनिक सेक्शन पार्ट 1, जिसके अंदर एनसीईआरटी बुक एक्सरसाइज 11.1 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, 10 और 12 करेंगे, जो बिल्कुल बेसिक कंसेप्ट के साथ इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे, ताकि आप एक्सरसाइज 11.1 के सारे क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो। चलो चेक करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। सो आंसर 5। सो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल विद सेंटर -a -b and radius given a square root of a square minus b square. So we have to find equation of circle when center is given and radius is given. तो आप जानते हो equation of circle is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, where center क्या होता है? Center is what? That is hk and radius is r. Okay, so this is the basic formula. Equation of circle is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, where center is hk and radius is r. Now in this question number 5, center is given -a -b. That means h is -a and k is -b, and radius given root under a square minus b square. So r is given root under a square minus b square. So my answer will be what? X minus. So what is the x coordinate of center? That is h is what? -a. So minus minus plus. So this is x plus a whole square plus y minus k. So what is the k is what? Minus b. So this is y minus minus plus. So this is y plus b whole square equal to r square. R is given a square root of a square minus b. This is r. So we have to find r square. So this equal to what? R square. So this is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, where hk center. So here center given -a -b. So put value of h -a and value of k -b. So x plus a whole square plus y plus b whole square equal to a square root of a square minus b square whole square. Now everyone know that is a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is x square plus a square plus 2ax, right? In the same way, y plus b whole square. So this is y square plus b square plus 2by. Okay, this equal to, now squaring this number, so root under a square minus b square is what? That is simply a square minus b square, correct? Now you see this is a square minus b square. So now we will simplify this number like x square first, then plus y square, then plus 2ax, then plus 2by, then plus a square plus b square, and this a square comes to the this side, so this become minus a square, and this b square come this side, this become plus b square, and this equal to what? 0. Now you know this a square negative, this a square negative cancel out. So we will get x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus 2b square. B square plus b square, 2b square equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle. So this is a model question. any point center, any center is given, any coordinate of center is given and radius is given. Just apply this formula, x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square, r square, where hk is the center, radius is r. So this is the required answer, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2by plus 2b square equal to 0. Okay. सो आई थिंक अच्छी तरह से आपको समझ में आ गया. वेरी गुड. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. So this is question number 7. So answer 7. So what is the question number 7? See, this is also the model question. Find the center and radius of circle. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 45 equal to 0. This is the equation of circle. We have to find center radius. So we can solve this question by the two method. So first we are solving this question by the first method. So this is first method. So what is first method? So we know given equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 45 equal to 0. Now from this given equation, you change this equation in the form of x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square equal to r square. That means x terms take one side. So this is what? X square minus 4x plus this is y square minus 8y and minus 45 equal to 0. So this is x square and minus 4x together and y square minus 8y together and minus 45. Now change this term in the form of a square plus b, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So how can we change? We can write this number like this is x square minus 2ab. So 2 into a is what? 1. So a is what? This is x square, a is x. So 2a into b. So what we take in multiply, so it become 4x. So 2x here. So 2 2 is 4. So b will be what? 2. So this is 2s square. Right? So this is x square minus 2ab. A is given x and b not given. So this is 2x, but here 4x. So 2 2 is 4. So b will be 2. So plus b square. Now you see x square, this minus 4x. So this is plus 2 square. So it is extra. So right here, this is the first to write here. This is the first group. In the same type, this is y square minus 2 multiply first term is y 2a into b here 8. So 2 4 is 8. So b will be 4. So this is how much? 4 square. Now this is minus 45. So now you see here x square minus 4x. This 4 2 square, that is 4 is extra plus 4 extra. So here also minus 4. Okay, so this is plus 4, this is minus 4, balance each other. In the same way here, y square, okay, minus 8y, okay, but this is plus 16. So here plus 16 extra. So here what? Minus 16 extra. So plus 16 and minus 16 will be balance each other. And now this equal to what? 0. So we can write this number, this total number, x minus 2 whole square plus from this to this we can write y minus 4 whole square. And this is what? So this is minus 45 minus 4 minus 60. So this is minus 20 and minus 45 minus 65. So this is how much? Minus 65 equal to 0. So now we can write x minus 2 whole square y minus 4 whole square equal to 65. Okay, so now when we compare with x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square equal to r square. So comparing this equation, we will get h equal to what? 2 and k equal to what? 4 and r square equal to 65. So r equal to what? Root under 65. So center of the required equation will be hk, that is 2, 4, and radius will be what? Root under 65. This is our correct answer. So again you listen, question is what? This is given equation of circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 45 equal to 0. We have to find equation center of this circle and radius of circle. We can solve this question by the two method. This is the first method. In this method, we will change this equation of circle in the form of x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square equal to r square. So take one side, one together with x term and y term. Separate x term one side and y term one. So this is x square minus 4x together plus y square minus 8y together and minus 45. Now change this number in the form of a minus b whole square. So this is x square a square minus 2ab. So 2 into x. X is a. Now b don't know, but here 4x. So 2x into what? Give 4. 2 2 are 4. So this is b2. So b square, that is 2 square. Again here y square minus 2ab. 2 into y, 2y. Here 8y, so 2 4 jaye. So b will be 4, so 4 square. Now here minus 45. Here 2 square 4 extra and here 4 square 60 extra. So minus 4 minus 60. So just solve this, became x minus 2 whole square. This is y minus 4 whole square minus 65 equal to 0. So this is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 65. So when we compare this equation with the standard form of equation of circle, x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square, r square, then h will be 2 and h will be 2 and k will be 4 and r square 65, so r equal to root under 65. So center 2 4 and radius root under 65 is the correct answer. Okay everyone, now we are solving the same question number 7 by the other method. That is second method. So what is second method? So first given equation is what? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 45 equal to 0. And we know equation of circle is given by, this is the equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Second equation where center equal to what? Minus g minus f and radius equal to what? g square f square minus c root under. So this is the standard equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, where center is minus g minus f and radius is g square plus f square minus c. When we compare them, that means from first and second. So when we compare these two equations, we will get here minus 4 coefficient of x. Here 2g coefficient of x. So this is 2g equal to minus 4. So g equal to what? Minus 2. In the same way, 2fy, here minus 8y. So this minus 8 coefficient of y, here 2f. So this is what? 2f equal to minus 8. So f equal to what? Minus 4. Right? So that is center. Center equal to what? Minus g minus f. So g is what? Minus 2. So minus minus plus. And f minus 4. So minus minus plus. So this is 2, 4. Now center. Now radius equal to what? G square plus f square minus c root under. So g is what? Minus 2. So this is what? Minus 2 square. Again f square. F is what? Minus 4. So this is minus 4 square. And after minus c. So c is what? So you know c is given minus 45. Plus c is what? Minus 45. So this is minus 45. So g square plus 4 square minus c. And here g is given minus x square y square 2y plus c equal to 0. So this is minus 45, here minus. So minus minus plus. And this is what? Root under. So you will get 4 plus 60 plus 45. So 4 plus 16, 20, that is root under 65. So this is the correct answer. Center is 2, 4 and radius is what? Root under 65. So you have to learn this formula simply. Equation of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gh 2y plus c0. And then compare with given equation, that is coefficient of first equation, coefficient of second equal to 7. 2g equal to minus 4, g minus 2. 2f equal to minus 8, f minus 4. Then we know the formula, center minus g minus. So 2, 4 and radius g square plus f square minus c root under 65. In both methods we got same answer. Okay everyone? Good. Now see the next question, question number 10. So this is question 10. What is question 10? Find the equation of circle passing through the point 4, 1 and 6, 5 and whose center is on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. So we have to find equation of circle which passes through the 2 point and center lies on this line. So let equation of circle is x minus h whole square y minus k whole square equal to r square, right? Now this circle passes through the point 4, 1 and 6, 1. So it will satisfy the given equation. So put x equal to 4 and y equal to 1. Then you will get x minus. So this is 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square equal to r square. Now we can write this 16 plus h square minus 8h, a square plus b square minus 2. Again this is plus 1 plus k square minus 2k equal to what? R square. So arrange this number. This is h square plus k square minus 8h minus 2k and plus 16 plus 1 17 equal to r square. This is second equation. Again put x equal to 6 and y equal to 5. So x equal to 6 and y equal to 5 in equation first. So x equal to 6, so you will get 6 minus h whole square, y equal to 5. So this is 5 minus k whole square equal to what? R square. So we can write 6 square 36 plus h square minus 2ab, that is 2 6 are 12h. Here 5 square 25 plus k square minus 2 5s are 10, 10k equal to what? R square. So again we can write this is h square plus k square minus 10k minus 12h, and this is 36 plus 25, that is 6 5 11 3, that is 61. So 6 plus 5 11 3 2 5 61, and this equal to what? R square. This is the third equation. Okay, now whose center lies on 4x plus, you know center of this equation is what? H and k. So put x equal to h and y equal to k in the whose center is on the line. So in line equation, so 4x means 4h plus y means k, and this equal to what? 16. This is equation number 4. So we got, this is the first equation, this is second equation, this is third equation, this is fourth equation. Okay, now solve this equation 2 and 3. So this is 2 equation, this is 3 equation. So subtract this equation, second and third. So we will write from second and third. So this is what is the third equation, second equation. This is h square plus k square minus 8h, and this is minus 2k plus 17 equal to R square. Now what is third equation? H square plus k square minus 10k. So first we write h, so this is minus 12h and minus 10k and plus 61, and this equal to R square. So when we subtract this two equation, sign will change. So this is minus, minus, plus, plus, minus, minus. So when we subtract first equation, second equation, we change the sign of the last. So this is h square plus, so this is minus. K square plus, so this is minus. 12h minus, so this is plus. This is minus, so plus. This is plus, so minus. Again this plus, so minus. Now this h square cancel, k square cancel. Minus 8h plus 12h. So 12 minus 8, 4. You will get 4h. Here minus 2k plus 10k. So 10 minus 2, 8. So this is what? 8k. Here plus 17 minus 16. So this is minus 61 minus 70. So 11 minus 7, 4. This is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So this is what? 44. So 61 minus 70. So 1 minus 7. 11 minus 7, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. And this equal to what? This cancel, you will get 0. So when we take 4 common, we get h plus 2k minus 11 equal to what? 0. So this is h plus 2k equal to 11. So this is the equation number 5. Now this is the fourth equation. This is the fifth equation. HK equation. So we can find h and k very easily. So from equation fourth and fifth. From fifth and fourth equation, right? So 4h plus k equal to 16. So this is 4h plus k equal to 16. And here h plus 2k equal to 11, right? Again subtract this equation. So sign will change. This is plus minus, plus minus. So this is what? So first you go for this is k 2k. So equate the equation. So when we multiply this equation by 2, it become 2k. So this 2k, 2k. So this is what? 2 4 ja 8. So this is 8h minus h. So 8h minus 8h will 7h. So multiplying equation fifth by 2 and then subtracting 4. So 2 multiply. So 2 4 ja 8h minus h gives 7h. This is 2k and minus 2k. It will be cancelled out. So this equal to 16 to the 32 minus 11. So 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 1, 21. So this is 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 1, 21. So you will get h equal to what? 7 3 ja 21. Now put the value of h and you can find value of k. So when we put this value of h in the equation number 5th, you can say. So this is h, so this is 3. 3 plus 2k equal to 11. So 2k equal to what? 11 minus 3, 8. So k equal to what? 4. So now we got h equal to 3 and k equal to 4. So now we have to find, we have already h equal to 3, k equal to 4. So now we have to find value of r square. So you can put, h equal to 3 and k equal to what? 4. In equation number, in equation you can put, this is the x6 y6 in equation number first. So we have taken this number. So now h and k, we have to find r. So you can put 6 minus h whole square, 5 minus k square equal to r square. So in any equation you can put equation number 2 or equation number 3. So we are putting equation number 2. So in this equation h square means what? That is 3 square. Again k square. So k square means what? That is 4 square. Minus 8h. So this is minus 8 into 3. And minus 2k. So this is minus 2 into what? 4. Plus 17. This equal to what? R square. So this is 9 plus 16 minus 24 minus 8 plus 17 equal to what? R square. So this is 9 plus 16, that is 25. And this is minus 24 minus 8. So this is how much? 8 4 12. This is 8 plus 4 12 and this is 32. And this is how much? Plus 17 equal to R square. So 25 plus 17, 75 12, 20 42 minus 32 equal to what? R square. So this is 10 equal to R square. So now we have hk and r square all. So put, now you put r square equal to 10 and h equal to 3 and k equal to 4 in equation number 1. So you will get x minus h whole square, that is x minus 3 whole square, plus y minus k, so that is y minus 4 whole square, equal to r square, that is 10. This is the required equation. X minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square equal to 10. You can expand this also and you can find your answer. So this is also the correct answer. When you expand this is x square plus 9 minus 6x, y square plus 16 minus 8y equal to 10. This is also the same equation. So both are the equation of circle, both are same answer. So again I am repeating this question number 10. Find the equation of circle passing through the point 41 and 65 and whose center on the line. This is a model question. Anytime this type of question came, you can use this technique. So first you assume equation of circle x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square, r square. Then put the one passing point x, h, y, k and get one equation. Again put x equal to 6, y 5 and again find other equation number 3rd. And now there is a center lies on the line. So center of this required equation is hk. So put, satisfy the equation of line. So this is 4h plus k equal to 16, fourth equation. Now we can find hk and r. So from equation 2nd and 3rd, you will find h and k. Now put the value of h and k in the equation number 2, you will get r square. Now we have h value, k value, r square value. Put this in equation number first, you will get your required answer. Okay, so I understood, बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Thank you. Now next question is 12. So this 12th question is also very important और मैं इसको बिल्कुल बेसिक तरीके से सॉल्व करते हैं. ध्यान दो. फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल with radius 5 and whose center lies on x-axis and passes through the point 2, 3. So here given radius of circle is given 5, okay, and center on x-axis. So center on x-axis. So on x-axis y coordinate will be what? 0. So our center coordinate will be what? That is the h0 because coordinate of center is hk. So on x-axis y coordinate will be 0. So this is h0, right? So our equation will be x minus h whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to r square, right? So here x minus h whole square plus y square equal to r square. So r is given 5. So this is 5 square 25. This is the first equation. Okay. Now we have to find value of h. For this the given passes through the point. So our circle passing through the point 2, 3. So 2, 3 will satisfy this equation. So put x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 in equation number first. So you will get 2 minus h whole square plus y square 3 square 25. So this is 2 minus h whole square 25 minus 9, that is 16. So 2 minus h equal to root 16. Root 16 means plus minus 4, right? So 2 minus h equal to plus minus 4. So h equal to what? So h equal to 2 minus plus minus 4, right? Or you can write like this, that is h equal to 2. When we will take positive, then 2 minus 4, or this is 2 and plus 4 when we take minus 4. So h will be what? Minus 2 and 6. So h is what? Minus 2, 6. So my answer is find equation of circle. So put h equal to minus 2 in equation number 1. Then you will get x minus minus plus. So x plus 2 whole square plus y square equal to 25. This is required answer. This is the correct answer. We can expand this also. In the same way, put h equal to 6 in first. Then you will get x, that is 6x minus h. So this is x minus 6. So this is x minus 6 whole square plus y square equal to 25. So this is also correct answer. This is also correct answer. We can expand this like a plus b whole square x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square 25. Also here also x square plus 36x minus 12x plus y square equal to 25. So this is also the right answer. If we will expand, then we will get expanded from the equation of the circle. So this is a model question. When radius is given, center given on x-axis, then coordinate will be h0. Center given on y-axis, then answer will be what? 0, k. Because on y-axis, x coordinate will be 0. So this is the required equation. Now this circle passes through this point. Put x2 and y3, you will get value of h. So here value h is 2. So we will get the 2 equation of circle. When we put h equal to minus 2, then this is the required answer. If we put h equal to 6, this is the required answer. सो इस तरह से हमने इस 4 क्वेश्चन ऑफ 11.1 5th 7th 10th 12th को सॉल्व किया है बिल्कुल बेसिक के साथ। अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन को अच्छी तरह सॉल्व करते हो तो 11.1 के मोस्टली क्वेश्चंस आप इससे आपके कंसेप्ट से बन जाएंगे। और इसके बाद पार्ट 2 में भी हम डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन के ऊपर सॉल्व करेंगे। अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आप इसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें। थैंक यू।